जय जगन्नाथ मो चैनल मो पाठशाला को आपण को अनेक अनेक स्वागत करुच्ची। चलतु आज जानिमा 27 मार्च 2025 रो करेंट अफेयर नेशनल न्यूज। कमेमोरेटिव पोस्टेज स्टाम्प issued in honor of Mata Karma. The Department of Post has issued a commemorative postage stamp honoring Mata Karma, a saint, social reformer and devote of Lord Krishna on her 1009th ବାର୍ଥ ଆନିଭର୍ସରୀ। ମନେ ରଖିବା ମାତା କର୍ମ ତାଙ୍କର 1009th ବାର୍ଥ ଆନିଭର୍ସରୀରେ ଏଇ ପୋଷ୍ଟେଜ ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ରିଲିଜ୍ ହେଉଛି। ଦି ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ୱାଜ୍ ଅନଭେଲ୍ଡ ଇନ୍ ରାୟପୁର। ମନେ ରଖିବା ରାୟପୁରରେ ଇନ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ସିଏମ୍ ବିଷ୍ଣୁ ଦେଓ ସାଇ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁନିୟନ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ତୋଖାନ ସାହୁ। Mata Karma is celebrated for her spiritual devotion, social reforms, effect, and women's empowerment, leaving a lasting impact of Indian culture and religious harmony. Next point. West Bengal launches mobile app for transparent transfer. The West Bengal Police launches a mobile app to ensure transparent and corruption-free transfer for constable to sub-inspector. मन रखिबा West Bengal Police launches mobile app for transparent transfer to corruption-free transfer of constable to sub-inspector. Integrated with EHRMS software, the app eliminates bribery and favoritism is transfer. मन रखिबा वेस्ट बेंगल आमर गोटे मोबाइल ऐप लॉन्च करुच्ची करप्शन फ्री ट्रांसफर थ्रू कांस्टेबल टू सब इंस्पेक्टर। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हरियाणा लॉन्चेस AI chatbot Sarathi for citizen service. The Haryana government launches Sarathi, an AI-empowered chatbot to enhance public access to government documents and policy. Introduced by CM Naib Singh Saini, it provides instant retrieval of 17,082 820 plus document scanning and 70,622 PDF pages for notification, order, acts and policy. मन रखिबा हरियाणा आमर लॉन्च कला AI चैटबॉट सारथी फॉर सिटीजन सर्विस। मन रखिबा आमर वेस्ट बेंगल लॉन्च कला मोबाइल ऐप फॉर ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑफ ट्रांसफर। हरियाणा लॉन्च कला सारथी। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट Darjeeling's Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park launches DNA preservation project. The Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling, has become India's first zoo to preserve wildlife DNA from snowy region. मन रखिबा दार्जिलिंग रो को पार्क पद्मजा नायडू हिमालयन जूलॉजिकल पार्क लॉन्चेस DNA preservation project in collaboration with CCMB Hyderabad. CCMB for Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, and the project has collected 60 DNA samples from red pandas, snow leopards and other species. मन रखिया दार्जिलिंग रो पद्मजा नायडू हिमालयन जूलॉजिकल पार्क रे लॉन्च हैला DNA प्रिजर्वेशन प्रोजेक्ट। कहार संगे कोलाबोरेशन कला CCMB हैदराबाद। नेक्स्ट आमर इंटरनेशनल न्यूज नेटुम्बो नंदी स्वर्न इन आज नामीबियास फर्स्ट फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट। ना के मन रखिबा नेतुम्बो नंदी। मन रखिबा आमर सी फर्स्ट फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट होती नामीबियार कंसाइडिंग विथ द कंट्रीज 35th Independence Day. Next point banking news. HDFC Bank Embassy Fixed Deposit, a comprehensive guide. HDFC Bank has introduced Embassy Fixed Deposit, a specialized foreign currency term deposit available exclusively to diplomat, non-diplomat staff and diplomatic mission in India. मन रखिबा Kubank, HDFC Bank, Embassy, fixed deposit. These deposits are currently offered only in USD with competitive interest rate based on the tenure. मन रखिबा एम्बासी फिक्स्ड डिपोजिट मीन्स HDFC बैंक. Next point, ATM withdrawals to get costlier from May 1st as RBI approves fees hike. এটা তো মনে রাখিবা starting May 1st 2025 ATM withdrawal in India will become costlier as the RBI has approved an interchange fee hike due to rising operational cost of white label ATM operator. नंबर रखिए customers exceeding their free transaction limits will pay an additional 2 for financial transaction and 1 for non-financial transaction and revised charges 19 for cash 19 टंका पर cash withdrawal up from 17 जोटा कि 17 थिला and 7 for balance inquiry up from 6 rupees. And next point, RBI revises priority sector lending. मन रखिए priority sector lending norms effect from April 1st 2025. The RBI has revised priority sector lending guidelines effective from 1st April to improve credit accessibility for agriculture, MSME, renewable energy, housing, education, social infrastructure. आमर RBI रिवाइज करछि प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग नॉर्म्स केबेठारु एप्रिल 1st ठारु कि चेंजेस कौन चेंजेस है इंक्लूड हायर लोन लिमिट्स 25 लाख फॉर एजुकेशन 8 करोड़ फॉर सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड 50 लाख फॉर हाउसिंग इन मेट्रोज मेट्रो रे हाउसिंग पे 50 लाख 35 करोड़ फॉर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी प्रोजेक्ट 35 करोड़ and 10 lakhs for household. UCB's PSL target set as 60% of ANBC with ए विषय आम डिटेल्स टिके जानिमा कौन कौन आमर चेंज करछि फर्स्ट एप्रिल सुधा. नेक्स्ट, RBI imposes penalty on HDFC Bank, Punjab and Sind Bank and KLM Axiva Finest for regulatory non-compliance. कहा कु कंपनी की HDFC बैंक, पंजाब एंड सिंध बैंक एंड KLM Axiva Finest. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, JSW Steel becomes the world's highest valued steel maker with over $30 billion market capitalization. JSW Steel, led by Sajjan Jindal, has become the world's highest valued steel manufacturer, surpassing US-based Nuclear Corp with a market capitalization exceeding $30 billion. मने रखिबा JSW स्टील वर्ल्ड्स हाईएस्ट वैल्यू स्टील मेकर कहा को सरप्राइज करिछि यूएस बेस्ड न्यूकोर कॉर्पोरेशन with a market capitalization exceeding $30 billion. Next point, Centrico Insurance Respiratory, a CDSL subsidiary, has partnered with LIC, offering digital insurance respiratory service, promoting paperless policy management. मन रखिबा Centrico Insurance Respiratory, a CDSL subsidiary, has partnered with LIC to offer digital insurance respiratory services. Next, the Ministry of Rural Development and UNICEF have signed statement of intent for a 3-year partnership to empower rural women and youth in India. मन रखिबा कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट एंड यूनिसेफ कौन साइन करचंती गोटे SOI स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इंटेंट फॉर ए केते वर्ष पई 3 years पार्टनरशिप to empower rural women and youth in India. Next point. Canara Bank appoints S.K. Majumdar as Executive Director. मन रखिबा Canara Bank appoints S.K. Majumdar as Executive Director. Next, Rahul Bhabe appointed as MD and CEO of IFCI. मन रखिबा Rahul Bhabe appointed as MD and CEO of IFCI. Then defense news. DRDO and Indian Navy successfully test fire short range surface to air missile. मन रखिबा surface to air missile on March 2026 March 26 2025 at ITR चांदीपुर ओडिशा. मन रखिबा किए DRDO and Indian Navy. এটা କ'ଣ ସର୍ଟ ରେଞ୍ଜ ସରଫେସ୍ ଟୁ ଏୟାର ମିଜାଇଲ୍ କେଉଁଠି ଆଟ୍ ITR ଚାନ୍ଦିପୁର ଓଡ଼ିଶା. ନେକ୍ସଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟ. बालपन की कविता इनिशिएटिव रिस्टोरिंग भारतीय राइम्स फॉर यंग चिल्ड्रेन. The Balpan Ki Kavita initiative launched by Department of School Education and Literacy under the Ministry of Education aims to preserve and promote Indian rhymes for young children. Aligned with NEP 2020, it focuses on early childhood education, multilingualism and cultural reveals. Next one, sports news. B. Sumit Reddy. मन रखिबा B. Sumit Reddy announces retirement from badminton to focus on coaching. B. Sumit Reddy India's double badminton speciality. मन रखिबा B. Sumit Reddy जने बैडमिंटन खेलारी से रिटायरमेंट कले. एटा थिला हमर 27th करेंट अफेयर. एबे रहुची नेक्स्ट वीडियो आसीबी 28th करेंट अफेयर को नहीं. जय जगन्नाथ.